show you a mountain of laundry. I know some people can relate, so no judgment please. This is a mountain of laundry. Clean laundry to put away. I was interrupted multiple times during this video and I did take lunch break, but I got through it. So here's some laundry motivation for you. Enjoy! Hi guys, I just want to let you know right here is where I'm going to split mine and my daughter's clothing into piles and the towels into another pile, as well as sheets and blankets in another. This will make it so much easier to get everything to the right place rather than having so many piles of clothes and mixing it together. So please enjoy. Hi guys, if you're still with me, I just wanted to let you know that I do have a cold and I apologize for my voice. I am signing back on to tell you that these velvet hangers I usually get in bulk at Sam's Club or BJ's even. Marshall's does have them, but they're a smaller version and they're a little more expensive. Guys, these black shirts and black items that you see are all from the same place, pretty much. It's called Ziana Outfitters. I found them originally at Marshall's like 2 years ago. I do work in the service industry, but they're not just a cotton, they're just stretchy, soft, and comfortable material. So I ended up looking them up online and ordering through their site. Pretty cheap too. It's always so exciting when you find matching socks. Like every time, I think I got excited. guys, I'm just here to let you know that right here I am noticing that some of my daughter's clothing is the wrong size. She is growing out of the 4T. She does fit in a 4-5 in the girls section for tops, 4T for bottoms, so it's a little confusing, and that's why she has so much more clothes right now. So much to clean. A lot of it may or may not fit her, but so you'll notice I'll have a pile in the corner over there that gets increasingly big as we go along. Socks are just the worst, aren't they? They really are. I know I should get all the same color socks. Throw out all these ones and get new ones. Yada, yada, yada. I'd try, though. There's some cute ones in there. Thank you so much for watching and bearing with me through this mountain of laundry.